Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make good pixel art for games. We'll begin by understanding the fundamentals. First, consider your canvas size. A smaller resolution often works best for beginners. Next, select a restricted color palette to maintain visual harmony. Finally, focus on creating clear, simple shapes before adding intricate details. This foundational approach will set you up for success. Now, let's dive into some essential techniques. Anti-aliasing can soften jagged lines, but use it carefully to avoid blurriness. Dithering helps create the illusion of more colors and smoother gradients, especially with limited palettes. Practicing clean line art is crucial for defining your sprites and ensuring they stand out clearly in your game. These methods will significantly enhance your pixel art. Moving on to adding depth and detail. Always establish a clear light source to guide your shading, making your art look more three-dimensional. Apply highlights where light hits directly and shadows in areas away from the light. Incorporating subtle textures can also add visual richness without overwhelming the pixelated style. Remember, less is often more in pixel art. Finally, let's talk about animation and polishing your work. When animating, plan your keyframes to create smooth, believable movement. Consistency in style across all your game assets is vital for a unified look. Before finalizing, zoom in and meticulously check for any misplaced or unnecessary pixels. A thorough review ensures your pixel art is clean and game ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.